Thanks for tuning into this week's episode of Sweet Talk with Swpea. This week at Swpea Headquarters, we enjoyed Bring Your Dog to Work Day. A great time was had by all, meeting everyone's furry friends. It sparked the idea for this episode's theme. We thought it'd be a perfect chance to show off all our dog-inspired designs. My two regular co-hosts, Allison and Annette, are both away this week, so we have Cassie and Silvana joining us to show off and talk about some of their favourite dog-inspired designs on the Swpea range. We also have three incredibly special guests coming to visit us on Sweet Talk this episode, so stay tuned for that, you won't want to miss it. Moving on to the announcements. First, I'll announce the winner of the comment competition from our Dreaming of Vacations episode. I have so much fun setting these challenges because it's a great chance for me to learn about some of our viewers. The request from me was comment below, which Swpea design have you taken on vacation with you, where did you go, and how did you use it? And I'll be sending a 2-pack of Swpea Mylar and washi tape to my favourite comment, which are two amazing prizes from our Swpea Essentials range. The video received a couple great comments, but one comment really stole my heart. The winner of the Dreaming About Vacations comment competition is Daughter Realm. Thanks for the lovely comment, daughter. It was very heartwarming to read, and I hope you enjoy your prizes. They are well deserved. Make sure you go check out our Swpea Essentials range on swpea.com. That is SWPEA.com. On this episode, we are celebrating our amazing dogs. I would love to hear about your cute furry friends in the comment section below. Let me know the name and breed of your dog and one interesting fact about them. My favourite comment will win some of our PU leather, so you can choose any colour in the range that you would like. Another really good prize to play for, and all you have to do is comment in the comment section below the name and breed of your dog and one interesting fact about them. I will be spinning James's Wheel of Names again next episode. To get your name on the wheel and go in the running for a $20 gift card to use on the Swpea store, you have to watch this whole episode from start to finish and find the 3 mystery dog inspired designs. Once you have found all 3, email swepeacompetitions@gmail.com. That is swepeacompetitions@gmail.com with your answers and your name. Best of luck. That's all from me. But up next, we have Cassie and Silvana coming in to show off our dog-inspired designs with 3 very special guests. I'll be back later to spin James's Wheel of Names, so stay tuned. If you enjoyed this video, remember to like and subscribe.
Hi guys, welcome again to Sweet Talk with Swpea. Today is the Bring Your Dog to Work Day somewhere in the world. Today we've got Huxley, Penny and Maya. The goodest boy.
Where's Penny?
She's been for a swim. And we're just going to talk to you about some of our designs that we have dedicated to dogs. So first we've got one of our older designs. This is our dog table runner. This was made a few years ago. It has 5 different blocks. The blocks come in the 5x7, 6x10 and the 8x12. We also have an add-on block, and this was to support the California Wildfire Relief Fund, and that one also comes in the 5x7, 6x10 and the 8x12 block. I love how this one is really colourful. We matched it to our border fabric, so each dog isn't any specific breed, but you can make it look however you want.
Yeah, like this one kind of looks like Huxley here.
Oh,
Look at Huxley doing a trick.
good boy.
Yeah, so what's next, girls?
Alright, so we have the dog food mat. This one comes in the 4x4, 5x5 and 6x6. These ones are really great to put underneath your dog bowls. You could put a clear film over the top so it doesn't get damaged, but they are washable. And we have a matching cat one for all your kitties out there.
Okay, and now we've got the dog walking bag, which comes in the 5x7, 6x10 and 7x12. This is a really handy bag. for taking out on your dog walks with you, because it's got this little compartment to put your doggy bags. It's got this bit here to put treats in, and anything else. It's got enough room for your phone and anything you just want to take on a quick walk. So that one's really, really useful.
You can add the straps.
Oh yeah,
to this one
you
as
can
well.
add long straps, so it sits like that. And then we've also got like a mini version of this, which is the doggy bag, and this comes in the 4x4 and 5x5, I think. And this you can personalise. You can personalise with your dog's name. I made this one for Maya, and it's so handy. I just clip it onto her lead, and it goes on all the walks. That's why it's a little bit dirty. So sorry about that. And I used our Swpea floral doodle cork for this. Makes it a bit more hard wearing. It's really, really handy. Okay, and if you want to get ready to spoil your dog at Christmas, we have a couple of designs that you can use. So we've got the dog stocking, which is really cute for putting your dog's Christmas presents in. And these come in the 5x7, 6x10 and 7x12. And they're so cute. You can make the dog any colour you like to match your dog, and you can also personalise it with your name. This one was made for Huxley.
You like it, Huxley?
And then we also have a cat version as well. If you know anyone that has a cat, you can make this for them as well, which is really cute. This is Emma's cat, Lily. Okay, and then we've got the Festive Fur Friends Table Runner, which isn't all dogs, but we do have the Dash Hound here, which does actually look a bit like Maya. It's great for making Christmas. You could just, if you wanted just to make this panel, you could make it and put it in a frame, or you can make different coloured dash hounds, and I have a whole dash hound table runner. But this one's really fun. It's got all the trendy animals in it for Christmas.
All right.
And then,
So we've got the dog's quilt, and we've got lots of different dogs on there, and we've got the spacing of the plain quilted blocks, so you can make it as large as you like as well. And as you can see, we've done all very colourful dogs. Those ones come in the 5x5, 6x6, 7x7. And the instructions include how to add borders and binding as well. What else have we got? We've got the dog wall hanger as well. This is just red work. Those ones come in the same sizes, so 5x5, 6x6 and 7x7.
yeah, I love the variegated thread on this one. It's really good with the red work. And James actually made this one, so he's pretty proud of it. So we've got a couple of bags as well. We've got this one is the dog carrier, small dog carrier tote bag. So this is designed to put your dog in. It's got like a little bit here for their head to come out, and then it's got a pocket for your treats, and then you can customise it with their name as well.
So this is one of my first designs that I made when I first started working at Swpea. This is our dash hound bag. So it's got 3 different blocks. So the body comes all the way around the bag. I really liked using these Shula fabrics, so we've made it really colourful. All right. We do have 2 dog stuffies. So this one is Patch the Dog, and you can change the name inside to match your dog. This one's really cute. It's got movable legs and arms. You can add buttons to like make the arms look different, but we don't suggest that if you've got little kids around the house because they might swallow them, so it's a swallowing hazard. So this is Patch the Dog, and then we've got just the regular dog stuffy. And he's got really long ears as well.
Okay, thanks for watching our special Bring Your Dog to Work Day episode of Sweet Talk with Swpea. If you liked the look of our doggy designs, check them out on our website, swpea.com. That's swpea.com. Also, if you'd like to share pictures of your dogs with all the doggy designs in our Facebook group, please do that, because I love seeing all the pictures of the dogs. It really makes my morning.
And stay tuned, because James is going to be up next talking about his competition.
Thanks for joining Maya,
Penny,
Penny, and Huxley And we'll see you next time.
Hi all, I'm back again. I hope you enjoyed that segment with Penny, Maya and Huxley. Aren't they just the cutest? So right now I'm going to spin the wheel from our Dreaming of Vacations episode. I set the challenge to get your name entered onto the Wheel of Names to find the 4 mystery vacation themed designs throughout the last episode. To have been entered into James's Wheel of Names, you had to find these 4 designs. Under the Sea quilt, the Hawaiian cushion, seaside quilt, tropical flamingo tote bag. Everyone got all of them right and you've all been entered into this week's James's Wheel of Names. This competition costs you no money to enter. All you have to do is watch the whole episode of Sweet Talk and find the designs. It's as simple as that. And you can also win yourself a $20 gift card to use anywhere on our online store. That includes digital designs and Swpea essentials. On that note, I'm going to spin the wheel now. Who's going to be the lucky 3 ladies that walk away with the prize? So I'll go to my website. If you're new to this, I just use a Google website called Wheel of Names, where I just add the names and it randomly generates this for me. So I'm watching this live with you. I don't know who's going to be the winner before I click this wheel. So the first click and we're underway. The first spin, who's it going to be? And the first lady to win the $20 gift card is Beth McDonald. Congratulations, Beth. Enjoy that money, enjoy that prize. Moving on to the second spin. We have Patricia Washington. Congratulations, Patricia. I think you've won this before, but that's all good. You can enter as many times as you want and still win the prize. So congratulations, Patricia. Enjoy that money. And the last and final click. We have Phyllis Hamilton. Congratulations, Phyllis. You've also won the prize. So to the 3 ladies that got their names called out, I'll email you next week once the episode's out with all the details about redeeming your gift card. Thank you to everyone that watched Sweet Talk and entered your names into this Wheel of Names. We'll be running this again next week, so make sure you watch this whole episode to start to finish and find the 3 mystery dog inspired designs. That's all from us this week. Make sure you like and subscribe and get lots of sewing done this week. I'll see you next time.